Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mayang Sari. My student number is 2340123022 and I am from class PBIA. Today, I'm going to explain my answer for assessment 5 about language perception in the view of psycholinguistic theory part 1. The first question is, what do you know of language perception? What phenomena can be used to present language perception? So, language perception is the mental process of understanding sounds and words that we hear in communication. It happens when our brain receives speech sounds, recognizes them, and gives meaning to what we hear. In psycholinguistics, this process is often called auditory perception because it starts from hearing and identifying speech sounds. So, the phenomena that represent language perception include recognition word meanings, dividing speech into smaller sound units, and identifying stress, rhythm, and intonation. For example, when someone says, "I'm hungry," so our brain instantly understands the meaning based on the sounds and words we already know. So the next questions, what do you know of language perception stages? The stages of language perception begin when our ears receive sound waves and send them to the auditory cortex in our brain. The auditory cortex identifies the sounds and separates them into phonetic segments, and then Wernicke's area interprets the meaning of those sounds by connecting them with words stored in our mental dictionary. Mental dictionary. Finally, the angular gyrus help us understand the full message or sentence meaning. So, language perception includes hearing, recognizing sounds, matching them with meaning, and comprehending the message as a whole. And the last questions, is word recognition a complex process? Why? Explain your reasons. Yes, word recognition is actually a very complex process. It happens so fast, but it involves several parts of the brain working together. When we hear a word, our brain doesn't just hear; it analyzes the sound, compresses it with our memory, and connects it with meaning. The auditory cortex processes the sound sequence, while Wernicke's area identifies the meaning of the word. This process needs coordination between perception, memory, and comprehension systems in the brain. That's why even though it feels easy, scientifically it's a complex mental process. So that's all my explanation for assessment 4. Thank you for listening and watching my presentation thank you for listening and watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.